So I picked these wrenches up, 10 and 12 millimeter from Amazon. Ratcheting Line Wrenches. ABS actuator recalls on the Nissans, Pathfinders, Muranos, Maximas. I'm doing a Maxima right now. So let me just show you real quick how they work. They work fantastic. Save you a lot of time. They even have an arrow on them to tell you which direction you gotta go. And look, slip it over the line like so. Put it over that. Trying to record at the same time. Then you just ratchet it down. And to take it off, I know many guys are going to have that question. How do you take it off the line? All right, well, it has an opening for it. All you do, I'm going to try and do it one-handed. You slide it up. Oh, look, it's already in that position. But if it wasn't in that position, you could simply spin it around. It's not working right now, but let's see if I can do that. I'm trying to do this with one hand because my camera guy left, my co-worker. Let's just do it like... All right, let's do the next one. You can see me do the next one. I already started it by hand, and we'll see where that one ends up at, what position that ends up when I get it tightened, and I'll show you how to get it off. It's pretty simple. Should be pretty obvious by now. All right, so that one, you just simply lift it up, and then you spin it to the opening, and then you just slide it out. Easy peasy. And you can do that with the 12 millimeters right here, those two, 1, 2, and the 10 millimeters there. So that's it. I mean, I got it from Amazon. It's made in China. Nobody else makes these. The snap ring is metal. It's pretty solid. I've used them on like maybe 10, 20 actuators already and without any issues. Now, nobody makes these with the flex head. You can buy the ratcheting line wrenches without a flex head, but this was the only company that I found that made them with the flex head. No name brand companies make them, no Snap-on, no Matco. I haven't seen anything like this with the flex head from any major brand where you get a warranty. Now, as far as getting a warranty, I don't know. This shipped from California, so you might be able to warranty these. Who knows? But they were like 20 bucks a piece. So I said, F it, let me take a chance on it. And I picked up two, just a 10 and a 12 millimeter. And it worked out great. They paid for themselves in one job. So you know how much these pay, like 2.4, 2.6, something like that. Anyway, that's that. I'm gonna put the link down below so you can check them out from Amazon and hopefully help somebody out.